Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Python XX, and today I'm going to show you how to use Canva to make a PowerPoint presentation or anything. Okay, it's very simple, so I'm gonna take you to this tutorial and show you how to do it. So first of all, you just have to head to canva.com. This is a website for Canva. Okay, so in this you can see templates, discovers everything. Okay, you can see this. It's very simple if you're familiar with the website. I mean, who isn't? So first of all, let's go and type here. Like whatever you want to create, type that, and it's gonna come. So if you want to create a presentation, go to presentation. If you want to create a website, if you want to create a card, it just has options for it. So today let's go to presentation. Okay, so that we can create a beautiful presentation over here. Then you will see that you can see this. So there are lots of designs for the presentation and it shows up with it. So you can see this, what are the things which are inside this presentation. You just have to click on it, okay? You can see this, okay? You can see this. So you can choose anything. So whatever you like, whatever the design that you like, you can click it, okay? And if you're doing it for something like, okay, let's go to templates, okay, presentation, you have it, so there you have it, okay, for business. If you want it, you can go here, or you don't even have to go there, you just choose anything, any presentations that you like. And if you go to the templates, it's more easier because now you can choose any topic you want it for. Suppose you want to create for product, so let's go to the product so that you can advertise your product. So for that, if you want a presentation, then you will see this for products. You can see there, okay, you can go, you can choose any one that you like. So for today, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go for education. So, and yeah, we're gonna choose a presentation for education because that's what we want today. Or you can just choose any one that you like. Okay, let's go to education and let's pick the one that we like. Okay, so what you can choose, okay, let's choose a really simple one so that it doesn't take too much of a long class. So this seems nice, okay? So let's click on it. And the most amazing thing about it is it just automatically opens up in another tab. If we click on it, okay, I'll show you in a minute. Okay, where was it? We were there and we had chosen this one. So it just opens up in another tab. Let's click on it. Okay. So it didn't have this time. So now let's click on it and you will see your template over there. Okay, now in the meantime you can look at other templates as well. But now we have found our template, so let's use this template. It looks nice, it looks very cute. You can see the components, the elements which it has inside of it. So let's use this template and now we have creating one. So it just automatically opens up. I told you about that. Now we have this, and so let's learn how to create one. So let's choose any topic that you want. You can choose any of it. So today, okay, mm, what do you want to do? So what price? So let's create on some topics. So let's just write topic how to create a presentation. So if that becomes easier for you, it just matches up with the topic. So let's wait, and the best thing about it is you can edit it. Okay, you can edit it everything, and the font doesn't change, everything, it's really good. And I'm going to show you how to put it in your PowerPoint as well. Okay, how to create in Canva and put it in your PowerPoint document. So let's, instead of science class, let's write how to create a presentation, and it just automatically, okay, let's look at it first, presentation in Canva. So it's really, this is really long, we really don't want that, we want it to fit over here. We want it to fit over here, so let's just like lower the font down. Okay, let's create like something like 12. That's a little bit too small, so let's create like 16 and see how it works. Oh my god, that's a lot of small. That's really small that we want. Well, let's increase the size a little bit. I mean, we can't work with this. Um, let's go with 24, maybe. No, maybe 36. Okay, 36. Okay, now you can see the spelling of yeah, presentation. I have done it wrong. Presentation. Yeah. So in Canva. So it's still not so much. You can adjust the font that you like, but let's not go over that because it's not really important topic. And instead of teacher Billy, you can just write a name. So let's write our name here. So I'm just gonna write Python access. Okay, and let's put it in the center. That's what we want, isn't it? Okay, here we go, and let's put this in the center. Okay, here it's so smart as we can be, or anything. You can write anything that you want. So we are here with it, and we have it. Is that all? So you can even change this, or you can remove the watermarks if you don't want it. Okay, you can see the. But for that, you have to buy the pro version, and I don't have the money for it. So now let's go and add a new page to our presentation. Okay, so here you can choose any of it. You can see there are many designs and you can choose any of it. You can see there are free icons that you can put, okay, over here. You see that free icon resources. So for that you just have to click on this and you have to copy it, and then you can paste it anywhere. Like if I want it's in the upper part of the presentation, I can just go here and I can just click and paste it over here. So it's really that simple. I guess I can put, okay, this I really don't want it. So I just showed how you can do this. And I really don't want this as well, this page. It's really not that much nice. Let's delete this page. Now, welcome. Are you excited for, okay, so this, I want to keep it. Okay, let's go to the other one. Make sure you're the following you start. So you can see that it gives you a little bit of, um, yeah, it tells you what you can put over here so that it becomes easier for you to do it. So what do you want to make sure before you start? Let's just write anything that you want. You just want a laptop or any device which is connected to the internet so that you can open this Canva. So you want a laptop, you want maybe electricity so that you can have your internet on. You want electricity, you want internet, anything, okay? And just, okay. So there we go. This is how you edit it. It's really simple. I don't think you need to be. I need to teach you more of this. You can see this. It's just examples and illustrations and worksheets. So this one you can create yourself. I don't want them, so I'm just going to delete every one of them because it's going to take some time to download if I have all of them. So now I want to show you how to create how to like take it to the presentation, to PowerPoint. So for that, let's just go up here and welcome over here. Okay, so we want this and the second and the third. Okay, from here we don't want anything, so we can just delete it. And then what you do for this is you can present it and you can watch it, okay, how it's gonna happen, how it's gonna come. You can see the present view over here. You have the download option. You can download it and you can open, okay. But what we want to do is you can preview the presentation as well. So how it's gonna come out, you can see this. This is it, okay. How it's gonna come out, it just comes. So this is it. So this is our presentation. Now let's end it. So now after we have ended it, now we can download this. Okay, we want that as well. We want that as well. And so to get it in the presentation, so for that, what you're gonna do is you can go to the next down drop arrow next to the present side, and you will find Microsoft PowerPoint. So you click on that, okay, and then so here it's the option of pay and download. And but in another way, okay, previously I could have just downloaded it. So here now is the pay and download. So what you can do is just all three pages to download it. Just write pay download, and you can put the card number. Okay, and after you've downloaded in this presentation form, after you get it, then you can just do whatever you want with it. So that was it. That was how to create a presentation with a Canva. And okay, so thank you. Be sure to like the video if you liked it. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye!